say. I just need some place where I can lay my hand. What's that? Mister, can you tell me where I might find the bed? He just grinned and shook my hand. No, what's how he say? Check the Lord of Fanny. Check the Lord for free. Check the Lord of Fanny. Hey, you put your Lord right on me. He came back when I'm looking for a place to hide. I say, hey, come on into jail, walking side by side. I say, hey, come on, let's go downtown. She said, I gotta go, but my friend can't stay around. Check your load of Fanny. Check your load for free. Check your load of Fanny. Hey, you put your load right on me. You go down Moses, that's nothing but that you can say. It's just a look, and look with the judgment day. Hello, my friend, where am I down gonna live? You said to my favorite song, why you stay young and early company? Take the Lord of Fanny. Take the Lord for free. Take the Lord of Fanny. You put your Lord right on me. Crazy chance to follow me. He caught me here to fall. He says I will fix your car, you out to drag my dog. I say, well, I'm in the chest that you know I'm a peaceful man. I'm a peaceful man. It's saying the talking about rock his head far out the way. Take your Lord of Fanny. Take your Lord for free. Take your Lord of Fanny. You put your Lord right on me. The only one. She's the only one. We'll send me here. We have regards for everyone. Check your Lord of Fanny. Check your Lord for free. Check your Lord of Fanny. Hey, you put your Lord right on me.
Moltes gràcies. Una cançó de davant.